And we are back, playing DayZ in the city of Chernarus. One of my most favourite parts about DayZ is the endless locations that you can call home. Whether it be a school inside Berezino, a piano house inside a high traffic town where you have to fight for survival, or maybe you like somewhere that's just a little bit more under the radar and hidden away from clans. But every story has to start somewhere, and ours is on the coast of Berezino. So the first thing we need to do is get some building tools. I'm just gonna loot Berezino, try and find any tools, nails, anything we need for building. Oh, found an SSD, that's gonna sell.
Oh, yeah. Do you have to teleport on this to get out?
Yeah.
The trader?
Oh. Pocket watch, mate, what the hell?
Want me to invite you to a group or don't invite me?
There's a body bag here, bro. He's got like a gun. Sellable. Yo, he's got sellables.
Where?
Alright, very. Caleb, his name is. I'll take that card. Give me that face mask. And I'll take the helmet as well, why not? That was weird. Oh my god, I found a Mosin. Okay. And I've got ammo for it. Oh yes. Oh! Box of nails. All day.
Lovely.
Oh yes. What the hell? Found a spaz shotgun as well.
Where's nice?
Oh, I'm gonna head towards hunting shack to see if I can get a sleeping bag,
Yeah.
and then I'm gonna go safe zone. Oh, sleeping bag.
Lovely.
Nice.
Same map, yeah?
Chano, yeah.
Oh, skin, you're never gonna believe it.
Been taken.
And now another sleeping bag.
Oh, I'll take that all day.
CPU, that's got to sell. Another sleeping bag. You've got to be shitting me.
Where are you finding
It's all three of us set.
CPUs on
Just finding it in jackets and whatnot.
it? Right.
I'm gonna head towards safe zone and see what I can sell.
Yeah.
Alright, let's pray I'm not getting safe zone camped. Oh, I've made it.
Probably.
Hey, what up, man? At this point, we had made it to the safe zone. We were just hoping we could sell as much as we can and get enough tools and building supplies we need to get a starter base up. Ooh, he's coming up with bar items. Maybe I can sell him here. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Probably.
Well, I've got 44k already. Right, this should give us enough for a start, so I'm gonna need to get rope.
I think you need like territory kits and shit in there, huh?
I think you do, yeah. Territory HQ. 2k.
Okay, so nails, territory kits, and then
Okay, really
a
fucking
chest,
down,
and
man.
that's all.
Okay.
Oh no, you need the building plan too. The building plan,
Okay.
the blue paper.
Alright, thank you for that, bro.
No problem.
Yeah, it's just a territory kit that you need, and then a building plan. Right, we've literally got everything to build.
Tell me if you can do this.
Oh my god. That is racket, bro.
It's super low, isn't it? Yeah, but surely you're not going to be miles away. 340. But it's pitch black, man, so I don't know, I don't know what the plan is.
What moment of truth. Oh, for fuck's sake.
I'm serious.
Yo, bro. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo.
Alright.
Looks like it's decaying. Yo, bro.
It does, it's all red.
We might have to build a starter just around the corner until it decays. Yo, bro. He's definitely decaying, ain't it?
Yeah.
We might just have to build over here somewhere. Make sure you don't chop the whole tree down if you're hitting trees.
Territory kit. shit on the floor, bro.
Yeah.
I haven't got a code for that door.
Alright, and there is the starter base down.
There's something in there. Something reasonable.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
How is that not killed him? How has that not killed him? So after this death, I decided to head up towards Tizzy, see if I can get a kit. At least that way I can defend myself if we bump into someone again. Alright, there's an FX pistol, so we can defend ourselves. And nothing, I guess. Zelenogorsk or Severgrad. Train cart left somewhere in Zelenogorsk or Severgrad. I'm close to that, huh? Yeah, Severgrad. Okay. Take a key. No way, there's one up here. Mate, I found a tower on this hill, bro, and this is much better than the one we were at. The only issue is there's two compounds down the road. But I'm down for this all day. Mate, this looks sick. I want to move, Swiss. This is the spot. So our initial plan was to build a satellite tower base, but it never quite works out as easy as that.
What's good? We can't dismantle down, huh?
No.
Alright.
Is there anything else that I need to get? Right, we good, yeah? Yeah, I'll take this code lock.
Let's go.
Oh, welcome to our new home. Alright.
First things first, put this up.
Alright,
Can't build.
what?
What the fuck? You can't build there, but you can build here. As for you can't build, no build zone.
Are you kidding me?
It literally says no build zone, bro.
Do you know what I think it is, don't you?
Trailer.
Yeah.
How far away is the trailer? Yeah, PvP bandit camp.
Well, it literally don't let you build anywhere.
The only place you can build is away from that window. Literally, as soon as you walk over there, it says can't build, no build zone. And if I walk back towards the thing, it says choose placement. I can place it.
Just mate, this view here and the fucking 2 compounds and that, man. Like, I would have loved it.
I don't believe these logs.
Mate, where's the other compound gone?
I have a compound.
There was 2.
Oh.
There was one at that green. Reckon their base is decayed. Yeah, I want to go check that. Yeah, I think it's decayed, boys. Oh my god, it's decayed. Oh my
There's
god.
loot.
Mate, there's loot. There's loot. Quickly get here, and we need to set up base here just for now. They've got guns, Mosins, fucking sellables.
Alright.
Mate, look at the guns and that in here. Oh my god. Bro, with it jackpot. Right, Skin, pass me the building plan quick.
There's territory kit, building plan, nails. I'm gonna put that upstairs up. First down there.
They were laughing at me.
So it turns out the base location that we wanted, that we had just previously found, was just inside the no build zone because the black market was too close. So we took over the decayed base and we were just going to hold this down until we find our new location. After getting the doors up and putting a code lock on, we decided to head west of the map in search of a new base location. And that's when we stumbled across this. Mate, this little spot here could be pretty sick. What do you think?
Yeah, you can do bits here.
Mate, this could be like, I don't know, maybe a waterfall base.
Yeah, you can have your little glass doors and that down there, or whatever.
Mate, I'm actually fucking with this.
Can't get out there. I'm not happy.
He's like a broken plane or something. Someone's using a chainsaw on his skin.
Right.
Wait. Knocked out.
It's in. Wipe this shit and bounce.
Out of there. Got his chainsaw.
Lovely.
How much chainsaw in trees down like this rust? After killing the guy for the chainsaw, we ran back to the decayed base. We stocked ourselves up with all the main loot and decided to call it there for day one, as it was getting late and we were all quite tired. Right, that is end of day one. Good progression. Right, day two. The plan today is pretty simple. We found the waterfall base last night, the location where we want to build, so we just need to move everything over from this decayed base to the new location. That is 10 kilometers. So yeah, this is going to be fun. Alright, seeing as I'm carrying a backpack in my hand and we've got a long distance to run, I'm just gonna I'm gonna do it now while the storm's here. Make it a bit safer for me running through the fields. There's a lot of open fields that I've got to run through, and I've got an 8-kilometer run. So let's get it. Alright, here we are. Let's hide all our stuff between these trees. Going to be right here. We're actually going to build into the waterfall, so we've got like a waterfall feature where the HQ is, right in the center of the core of the base. I love the spot. Yeah, let's get it. Right, so we got the chainsaw off that guy yesterday. I'm going to go to the top of this hill and get some logs. Alright, let's just get this front door down just so it's secure. Nice. Right, now let's quickly drop all this in here. Let's go get the code lock and some storage. Alright, let's get some nails in here. And let's not forget to secure the door. We are secure. Look at this, man. I love this, bro. Look at the waterfall. Yeah, I'm in love with this. Oh yes. Nice. I'm loving this base. I love it. And now that we had the starter base up, it was time to do some deforestation. That's what I'm doing. And after building most of the base, we decided to kill ourselves and spawn back at the decayed base so we could pick up whatever we missed.
Stop!
Not having that.
We're gonna be here all night, man. Go, baby.
No, I'm not having that, bro. So I'm waiting until I bleed out at least, bro. Swish, you want to move, mate?
Whoa, whoa.
He's battering me.
I'm not dead.
Oh, you knocked me out.
He killed me.
Did I? Oh, God's sake.
Right, then, good luck putting all my shit away, sis, right? Fucking sick.
Right, so we've cleared out the decayed base that we found. Managed to get all sleeping bags, got everything that was left, storage. Now we've got to head to home, which is 8.5 kilometers. Let's just pray we make it. And deauthorize on here. Let's get it, bro. Alright, the big 8.5 stomp. Let's go. Getting shot up.
Uh-oh, I've been it.
No.
This ain't good.
I'm in a real bad way.
I'm here. Yeah, we're both dead here.
Might be behind you, Scan. I know though.
What not?
Oh, I've made it into a tree line. Oh, I'm here again.
I've no idea where he is from.
Right.
I don't know what to do
So
here.
you can sprint, Scan.
Nah.
Not red pen, no.
Just give me a sec. Give me a sec. I'm dead. Two of them. So after dying with the loot on me from the decayed base, Chicken Differs had logged in and decided to give Elskin a
You
hand.
still got that other
He was
dude's
quite
body
close by.
outside.
Want me to head over to use?
I mean, we've just killed them both, but I don't know if there's going to be more. But mate, we're going to need to depot anyway. We've got a few guns now. Nothing amazing, but we've got guns. No, I can't take that, mate.
So after dying, seeing as we had our base up and we had a lot of the stuff done at base, I decided to head out in hopes of some PvP.
Right, now leave the M16, leave the And that, you see that noise that we heard? It was in the barrack. On that guy's body.
Yeah.
It was his body turning from a body to a body bag. What the noise was.
Someone at try crash, bro. I'm gonna go try kill him.
Over there, bro. We need to stay low and stay away. Hold on. I'm going this way. I don't like this either. I'm going back down. Right, we can make it back home and then back here.
Killed a guy.
Oh,
Multiple. I'm screwed.
you got it.
I'm screwed, mate. Killed another.
Yes.
Nice.
I'm out.
They're in a corner somewhere, man.
ain't got a lot of ammo left either. Gotta loot him.
Let's go away.
So after killing the second guy, I did hang around for a while to find Mosin Man, the guy that shot me, because there was a third, but I'm guessing he just ran off after I killed the two that he was with.
You with me?
Yeah.
Turns out there was a hackable crate right around the corner, so we decided to get geared up and head straight down there.
Get to this. Have you actually on the crate?
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's underground. Are you with me, yeah?
Mhm.
Come on, let's push down. We'll go down them stairs near the helicopter. I'm pretty tight this.
It's got to be I got bits.
Yeah.
That's the airdrop coming in now, no? Or whatever it is.
No, that's another thing that's dropping.
No, we're going down here. Come back.
Go down.
Yeah. Press the button. Yeah, just look. It's gonna be dark though, isn't it?
Oh god. Down.
Wait, but I know you probably don't know, but I've got a glow stick, white one.
Wait, there's an airdrop dropping here, Skip. It says
What, here?
airdrop. Yeah, literally on us. Come. Yeah, look.
I'm gonna mark it. Get rid of this one. Off you go. No.
Need to mark it up. It's here. Yeah, it gets dark for a second. There, look, we're inside it.
We're going down it.
Yeah. Just there, look up.
Right. Okay. Yo, hello.
Flash it.
What's up? Free away. Yeah.
Yo,
Lovely.
put that deep on.
Yeah, we'll go. Cover me or didn't cover you?
Cover me. Come down with me and just be quiet.
You go now? You're gonna roll down the hill.
Oh, it's good.
I'm waiting for you.
Thanks as well.
Good, yeah? You got all of it?
Yep.
Alright. You just check the bag.
Alright, let's go around this side, Skin, and we'll go back up and we're going to do the old Swiss tactic, the thingy.
Got to call it a shit one again, isn't it?
Mate, I've got no view.
Attach it to your back, sorry. Right, so let's pick up that vest. Oh, I've got it.
Am I going all the way?
Let me know if you get lost.
All lit up.
It's all bright.
Yeah,
The package has been started, bro.
I just started.
Right.
Come down.
I'm expensive.
Follow me. Come, follow me. Is it light down here?
No, it's dark.
Even in there? What's that?
Light. It's light, yeah.
Right, let's watch the entrance.
Dead. I don't know what he's got. I don't know where he was. I didn't even move.
Have you got that
Mate.
entrance again?
No. Pitch black, mate. I can't see nothing.
Mate, don't go to that
What?
entrance.
How's he
Is
seeing
it
me?
you? Coming now. Knocked out. I don't know if I killed him or not, but I'm knocked out. I'm dead now.
Killed him.
Oh, there's multiple.
I'm dead. So after dying at the hackable crate, I decided to spawn at base and grab as many sellables as we can so we could just go and make some money at the safe zone. Because I wanted to buy some lanterns and a few bits for the base that I had in mind.
We can all just spawn random. Do. Let's go.
I
Let's
ain't
go
going
get
out.
trucks go. Let's go.
My cool. I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. 'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't. But you're not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I love the way you look me in the eyes when you choke up but can't apologize, 'cause you are too afraid to hurt your pride. I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain, you know I would. You know I would. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down.
Right, let's make this a little bit more cozy then.
I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset.
One either side here.
'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't.
And this is the final product. The waterfall base. It's still quite discreet considering like it's what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stories high. It is still quite discreet. And if we head down, our entrance, a little river. Go ahead and show him. Lanterns here, that lights up all the waterfall. Yeah, I'm really happy with how the base turned out. It's one of my favourite bases I've built. Got another one on here. Right up underneath. There we go. And the cool thing about this base is we can actually sit here and just drink water as well. Yeah.
It turns out, sadly, that the server was wiping the next day and we had no idea. But hey, maybe someday we'll do it again. But thanks to all you guys in the previous videos, you showed so much love. And if you enjoyed this, I'd appreciate if you liked and subscribed. But until next time, love, love, love.